glazing and decorating your pots. Sometimes it can be scary, but I'm going to give you as much information that I can to help you when you approach your pot and use different tools. These are my brushes, well, a small sample of them. But I'm going to try to help you in recognizing some different techniques and different tools to help you get your pot just the way you want it. Anatomy of a brush. Is it important? Of course it is. Let's go ahead and look at this round. Now you can see it's got a nice little point right on the tip, and that's called its toe. And you can see right here where it's fat right there, that's where all the medium usually is stored, and that's called its belly. And right here, right at the end, right there, beginning of the ferrule, that's its heel. This right here is its ferrule. And right there is a crimp. And here's the handle. And that's true on almost every brush that I have or that you'll have. Now the reason you need to know that is when people tell you different techniques, they said, well, drag the toe or add light pressure to the toe. That means a light line for this brush. When I say toe to heel technique, you're gonna hit the toe, add pressure to the heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. So knowing the anatomy of your brush and the definitions that artists use, it's really important. It'll help you. Let's talk about brush handling skills and just how important they are to your artwork. Now, when I pick up a flat, just like this, I can see there's different areas of this brush I can use. I can use it on its edge to get a thin line. I can use it on its broad end to get a thick line. I could vary it by moving it. And varying in your work will catch people's attention. It's interesting. And this works for all the brushes. You can see as I increase the pressure, it broadens the line. Thins out, broadens, thins out. You want to try that with your brushes. It works for almost all of them. Go ahead and practice. Get some watercolor, get some food coloring and some water, and try it. Practice. Get some spare sheets of paper and just practice moving that brush around. toe to the heel, toe to the heel. Those are the kind of experiments and practice that are going to make perfect. And there you have it. Different brushes, different strokes, so many possibilities. Whether you're adding detail, texture, or smooth blends, the right brush makes all the difference. What kind of brush do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.